How to buy games on Epic Games using or with your Google Pay. So first thing you want to do is access and go ahead to store.epicgames.com, and this is going to be their official site. What you want to do next is of course choose on a specific game that suits your needs. So say for example we will be trying out the Dream Core. So to purchase this, just simply click on the game and then you will be redirected to the Dream Course page. Now, for you to purchase this completely using your Google Pay, just head directly to Buy Now. Or if you want something to be added and pay all at once, you can just add this to your cart and go back to the home page. Now, I'd like to explain to you that Google Pay may not be available of all the countries or region. So as you can see, I only have like credit card, PayPal, Gcash, and Razor Gold Wallet. So if Google Pay is going to be available on your area, just simply choose on that payment method and pay for the game. That's it. That's how you purchase games on Epic Games using your Google Pay.